topic is PLC I/O modules in array system. We will also add subroutine by using jump subroutine instructions. We will organize our PLC program using our array configuration and so much more. So let's go guys. Go offline ako. So alisin ko muna to guys. Delete ko muna. Okay, pupunta ako sa index ko. Scroll down side. Then, itatype ko lang yung array. So, array for what? So, every modules, input, binary, output, binary, or even the input analog or input output analog. You can also make it also as an array system. So, lalagay ko is array underscore input binary. So, this will be my lahat ng aking PLC expansion module dito ko ilalagay. So, double integer tayo with for example 10 dimension ko 10. So, ito din is 10 dimension. Depende sa pangailangan ng isang programmer. So, okay na ako rito. So, meron akong pang-input modules. So, again, gagawa naman ako array for the output module OB. Then, double integer again. So, expected ko is 10. Balik lang naman yung network natin. Dimension 1. 10. Then, okay. So, kailangan ko rin ng maraming memories. So, for example, M as my memory or memory itself. Then, gamitin ko lang dito guys is integer lang siguro. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng marami. INT. So, ang dimension ko sa INT is even dalawa lang siguro or 5. Kasi yung integer, itong from 0, nag-expand pa into 16. I-check nyo guys yung definition ng integer and double integer. So, okay tayo. Then, I need the false. So, I need also integer, 5. INT. Maybe I need false in the future, of course. So, dimension ko is 5. Okay. Then, of course, timers. Pwede na siguro integer din. I will go with my timer. So, data type siya. So, timers. Dimension ko is 5 din. Okay. Double integer. When you already establish this array system, then you can proceed to the main routine. So clear up this. So sa main program, kung saan ka pwedeng maglagay ng new routine, kasi gagamitin natin yung main routine to control the subroutine. So main program, add new routine. So ang ilalagay ko dito is trilogix 000 underscore this will be my input again, kasi dito i-organize na natin yung ating mga project. So T0001 underscore this will be my basic ladder, basic logic gates, basic logic gates. And again, new routine, T002 underscore basic control with trigger. And again, this will be my T003 traffic light control, 4-way traffic control. So I will also add my mat control, mat instructions, mat instructions. I will also include the T0004 for my compare instruction. Then another routine for my module monitoring, module fault. Monitoring. Okay, so delete natin yan. Delete natin. Okay. Iba natin kailangan. Okay. Then, of course, meron tayong program dito sa ating main routine. So, nandito kasi if you remember, dito ko dinesign yung ating traffic light sa main routine. So, i-organize na natin yung ating 4-way control na traffic light. Control A ko lang siya. Copy lang muna natin, copy run. So, ibababa natin siya dito sa ating 4-way traffic control. So, control B. So, nandito na siya. Ngayon, aalisin ko na siya doon sa dito sa ating main routine. So, delete ko na, control A, delete. Okay. So, ang main routine ang magpo-control sa subroutine. So, what I will going to do is to get the subroutine instructions. So, nasa subroutine, nasa program control. Jump to subroutine. So, not required is return parameter, so I can remove the instruction parameter. Then I can look for from the beginning. So, I will edit the mat from IO monitoring, Control C, Control V, monitoring fault, monitoring. Okay. So, na-organize na natin. Then, in my IO monitoring, so I will go to my routine, IO monitoring routine. First of all, I will go into organize my array, introduce my array into the local or my input-output modules to arrays. So what I'm going to do is I will add rank and copy instructions. So hanapin natin yung copy instructions. So ito yung copy is under the file miscellaneous copy. So sa source natin is anong module ang gagawin natin. So from the local panel, I will use the array 0, PLC1, array 1, PLC2, array 2, and so on so forth. So I will take first the local panel, which is I will put to IB32, my input module, as per kukunin ko to itong IB1756, IB32, i-address ko to kay array. So kukunin ko muna itong module na local for data. Then destination niya is array for IB, input binary, kasi itong ating IB is input binary. So IB nasa slot number 4, so 04. So yan ang aking address. Then 0 din. 0 ang aking So yan yung ating later on we will put the faults here after we configure the module fault monitoring. So of course ilalagay ko rin Control C yung ating output module, itong local 6. Sa local 6 is pwede natin siya lagyan dito guys ng ating 80 flag moment. So pwede natin lagyan dito na local 1756 IB32, local 4 module. So ilagay natin sa gitna. Ayan yung ating description. siya ng output kasi yung output, yung source from array goes to destination na particular module. So kukunin muna natin yung array. So since ating kukunin itong local 6 output module, so kukunin ko muna si array OB nasa local 06 kasi ang local 0 natin is main module. Okay? Then ang destination natin is local 6O data. Yun. So ang length natin is 1. Okay. So pwede na natin i-translate yung ating mga ilaw from which is connected to our local 0 or the main CPU. So gawin natin actually meron tayo doon mga ilaw 6 colors, so palitan na siya into array kung sino yung nakabili na sa kanya ng pagmamayari. So punta ko dun sa kanyang forward traffic control. So sino ito? So ito siya, si Green. So si Green, okay, i-download natin. Fault. Check natin kung saan ang galing ang fault. Run error. Dito. Check natin. So, download ulit natin. Papalitan natin yung guys kasi iyan ay naka-local 6 pa, hindi pa siya naka-array. At ang kagandahan sa array is that very organized yung PLC structure mo. At ang isang programmer or kung mayroon isang magaling na programmer, madali niyang malocate kung nasaan yung mga input-outputs, kung saan array siya naka-destination. So ito, papalitan ko na siya. So double click natin yung green. So ito ay local 6O. So edit properties. Yung local 6O data 0. So green 1. So local 6 nasa array. Nasa bagong pangalan siya na array. Local 6 0. Ito siya guys. Apply. Okay. So ayaw niya magpabago online. So let's see. Baguhin natin siya offline. So ang babaguhin lang natin yung nasa local lang. Next time, babaguhin natin sa mga per modules, mga expansion network. So, offline tayo. Edit, properties. So, nasa bagong array na pangalan. Array OB 6 data 0. Bago na yung pangalan niya. So, array OB local is 0, slot number 6, data 0. work kasi pinakilala lang naman natin siya into new name array system. Yan guys, na-translate na natin yung ibang outputs into array. So next time is mag-add tayo ng mga input-output modules pa rito sa ating topology. Then we will monitor and we will do the fault monitoring system by using the GSB system. So abangan niyo yun guys sa ano. So isa-isahin natin. So again, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much guys.